different colour combo day to pop your socks off. So yeah, I'm using some really nice bright colours. I've been sort of creating this similar composition but with all different colour palettes to see what kind of floats my boat, but which other people are attracted to, and see which colours that you prefer. Do you like the very bright and vibrant like this one's going to be, or I will have posted some more muted or classy colours. But yeah, it's all in personal taste, but it's to give my subscribers and viewers some colour palette ideas that I often get asked for, that they come to my page for colour palette inspiration. So this was a bit of a weird one. I put that really bright yellow background, and I don't know what happened in my head, but I thought maybe these colours will look nice. That was like a rust colour that I'd made up myself, so it was a custom rust, I call it, and then just adding white to it. So with these, I've been keeping them very simple, kind of two colours, and then further embellishing them. So I'm going to blow this out with my little Babyliss blow dryer, which I've had for donkey's years, and I'm just really hoping that it doesn't give up the ghost anytime soon, because it's my absolute favourite. So I'm just blowing it out on a low setting, so to try and do it nice and slow. Now bear with me, because what you see here won't be the end product. I'll further embellish this, of course. So that is it's actually like a black navy. Like, I start with a very dark, like phthalo blue, and add black, so it's very dark, sort of black blue or whatever. And then I'm going to add my lovely champagne gold, which is 50% metallic gold, 50% silver. Why I thought these colours would work, I don't know, crazy brain, but I'd really be interested in your opinion to what you think when you see the end product. So let's give this a whirl and hope that these colours absolutely shine. Yeah, I definitely think they look good. I think they do, but that's it. That's just all personal opinion, isn't it? So I'm just sort of softening this all up, and I might add a few squiggles with my little skewer. So you could either use a skewer, you could use your catalyst wedge, but I always enjoy doing some further little softening up of the whole piece, and like I am with this catalyst wedge now, that adds a really nice whimsical effect to it. So all the products I use, all the secrets for mixing paints and varnishing are all underneath in the description in the drop down box. So let me know what you think about this one, but wait on for the next bonus video. Please take care. And uplifting double dip on these 220 by 25 canvases. I pre-coated in that really nice bright and vibrant yellow, and I'm layering these colours on, which was magenta, fluoro pink. I think I'm going, it's called Deep Sea. These are all global colours, which I love to use. They're Australian brand, Australian made, and they are just really lovely, good quality paints. This colour is a custom pink, which is just white with a bit of that fluoro pink added, so to give it a pinky colour. And now my violet, which I just give a wiggles all over the canvas. You will be amazed at what this very simple technique can achieve, so just watch on. The hand, and now time for the reveal. Wow! Oh my goodness, what a gorgeous butterfly is that, or angel wings, whichever way you want to look at it. It's very uplifting and pretty, so easy to do with your children or your friends, and they just make lovely little gifts to give your family and friends or your neighbour. Probably better than giving a gift card or anything. So if you allow this to dry and cover it with a coat of varnish or resin, it really makes the colours pop, and it's super fun to do. So if you haven't tried, get yourself along to my YouTube channel, look up beginners videos on my playlist, and it will give you all the know-how to mix these acrylic paints with my pouring medium, and give it a go. So much fun, and look at the lovely results. This is just using here is just a balloon that I've put a little bit of water in to give it a bit of weight, and it becomes a great tool to use in your art. So like, what's better than that? So much fun you can have with paint. So hope you enjoyed, and see you again next time.
I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our 2L.